The entire 3D printing technology can be divided into three steps: 3D design, slicing, and 3D printing. 3D digital model is the starting point for any 3D printing process. This digital model can be created using various 3D design software like Fusion 360 and SolidWorks, or can also be created using 3D scanning. Once the 3D model is created, it is then sliced into layers, thereby converting the design into a file readable by 3D printer. This slicing is done by exporting 3D model to another software like Ultimaker Cura. 3D printer will then print this file layer by layer using the material given as input. The different types of 3D printers each employ a different technology that processes different materials in different ways. It is important to understand that one of the most basic limitations of 3D printing in terms of material and application is that there is no one solution fits all. For example, some 3D printers process powdered material, which utilize a light source to sinter or melt layers of the powder together in the definite shape. Other process requires polymer resin material and again utilize a light or laser to solidify the resin in ultra thin layers.